Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this rectangle ABCD that consists of this right triangle AED and this green shaded trapezoid EBCD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that the area of this triangle AED is 1 centimeter square. And the segment AE length is 1 centimeter. And furthermore, this side CD length equal to this segment CE length. In other words, this triangle CDE is an isosceles triangle. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded trapezoid EBCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Since we are interested in calculating the area of this green shaded trapezoid. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to the height h times the sum of the bases a and b all over 2. And here in our case, the base of this trapezoid is A, the other base is B, and the height of this trapezoid is lowercase h. So therefore now our task is to find the value of lowercase a, lowercase b, and height lowercase h. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle ADE. And I'm going to label this height of this triangle as lowercase h. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the area of this triangle is 1 centimeter square. The base of this triangle is 1 centimeter. And the height of this triangle is lowercase h. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula to solve for h. Our area is 1 equals to a half times our base is 1 times our height is lowercase h. So let's simplify. We are going to get h divided by 2 equals to 1. And now I'm going to remove this fraction by multiplying by 2 on both sides. So therefore we can see that this 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore our height h value simply turns out to be 2 centimeter. So thus our height h value is 2 centimeter. And if this side AD is 2, then this BC length has got to be 2 centimeter as well. And here's our next step. Let's label this side CD as x centimeter. Then this segment CE length has got to be x as well, since these two sides are equal. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this side CD length is x. Then this side AB length has got to be x as well. And now we know that this segment AE length is 1. So therefore this segment EB length is going to be x minus 1. So thus we figured out this EB length has x minus 1. And now let's focus on this right triangle EBC. And we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for x. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is x, whereas our two other legs are x minus 1 and 2. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got x minus 1 whole square plus 2 square equals to x square. And now let's recall this famous identity. A minus b whole square could be written as a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. And we are going to apply this identity on this binomial on the left hand side. So therefore we are going to get x square minus 2x plus 1 and then plus 4 equals to x square. And now we can see x square and x square, they are gone. So we ended up with minus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. And now I am going to move this 2x on the other side. So therefore we ended up with the 2x equals to positive 5. And now I am going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate x. So therefore our x value simply turns out to be 5 divided by 2 centimeter. So therefore this x value is 5 divided by 2. And likewise this x minus 1 value is going to be 5 divided by 2 minus 1, and that is going to be equal to 3 divided by 2. So thus this base of this trapezoid turns out to be 3 divided by 2, and this base is 5 divided by 2. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded trapezoid EBCD. So therefore let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula once again. Area equals to height h times a plus b all over 2. And in our case our base is lowercase a, this base is lowercase b, and our height is h. So therefore this green shaded trapezoid area is going to be, our height is 2 divided by 2 times our base a is 3 divided by 2 plus our other base is 5 divided by 2. And now we are going to add these two fractions. 3 divided by 2 plus 5 divided by 2 is going to give us 3 plus 5 divided by 2. That is going to be equal to 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. And at the very same time 2 divided by 2 reduces to 1. So therefore we can write 1 times 4, and that is going to be equal to 4 centimeter square, the area of this green shaded trapezoid EBCD. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, our green shaded trapezoid area turns out to be equal to 4 centimeter square. In other words, the area of this green shaded trapezoid is 4 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.